Hey guys, good to see you. I hope you're staying safe. I hope you're staying healthy. Today I'm gonna show you how to make your own digital room that is interactive. It's super fun, but I also wanna remind you to get outside and go for walks or go for a run, go ride your bike, play with your dog. Me and my dog are having so much fun out here today. The weather is so nice, so I hope you're enjoying it too. I also hope you're making art all the time. Make sure you send it to me if you do, because I love to see it. So let's dig in today. All right guys, so this is one that I already made. This is like my dream bedroom. So clearly I love dogs, so there would be lots of dogs. There would be a comfy place to sit and read books and drink coffee out of that really big coffee mug. There would be lots of art and plants in the room and a really cozy bed and lots of books. And of course, a calendar, because without a calendar, I am completely lost in life. So I made this actually on Google Slides. You can make this on PowerPoint as well. So it's super fun and really accessible. And my favorite thing is that you can make it interactive. Let me show you what I mean. So if you click on the little black puppy right here, it's gonna take you to this website called Cat Bounce, where there's just these bouncing cats and you can click and drag them and they bounce up and down, and it is so fun. If you click on the bookshelf, it takes you to a YouTube video reading one of my favorite books called The Day the Crayons Quit. We have read this book in some of the art classes. If you remember it, let me know. So there's lots and lots of different things that you can click. You can even click the walls to play this game. So really interactive, really fun. So let me show you how to make one. All right, so I've got Google Slides open. Remember, you can also have PowerPoint open. What I'm gonna start doing is just inserting images into a collage. So the first thing that I need is a wall and a floor. So that's exactly what I'm going to look for. I'm gonna click this little images icon. You can upload one from your computer if you already have one that you want, but I'm just gonna search the web. It'll come up in this sidebar right here. And I'm gonna look up wall and floor. I'm gonna click this one, click insert, and there it is. Now I can stretch it using these little buttons on the corner, clicking and dragging it. I can stretch it out sideways too. And there we go. I've got my wall and my floor. Next, I need a whiteboard because this is gonna be a classroom. So remember, you can do it any kind of room you want. Remember, I did my bedroom for the first one. This one, I'm gonna do my classroom. You can do any kind of world that you want. It doesn't even have to be a room. It could be outdoors somewhere. It could be a made up world. It could be anything. Think of it almost like Minecraft. So I'm gonna add my whiteboard, clicking on this same icon that I clicked on before, search the web, and I'm gonna insert this one. Okay, I'm gonna make it smaller. Okay, I need a desk now, so same icon, search the web. Okay, so for this I searched desk transparent so that the background is transparent and I don't have like a weird extra picture inside of my actual picture. So the background of the desk is transparent and all I see is the desk. And the perspective's gonna be off. Just kind of have to deal with it. It's fun, it's art, it's fine. Okay, now I want some decorations, I think. All right, now this is one of my favorite parts. I can upload some of my own pictures of students and student work. So let's do that. I'm going to click the insert image, and then instead of searching the web, I'm gonna click upload from computer. And here is a kindergartner's piece of art that I love. Shout out to, I think, Miss Truslow's class. Hang that right above my desk. What's cool is I can also add a frame around it. So I'm gonna search frame transparent. Let's do another. This one wasn't finished yet, but I think it's still really cute. This was first grade. Okay, so now here's some editing tips. If I insert something and I want to crop it, there's a crop button right here, and you can just click and drag and press enter on your keyboard, and now it's cropped. But also, this is a little dark. I want the background to be like pretty white. So I'm gonna drag it over the whiteboard because I always draw cougars on the boards and the kids love it. So I'll put it on the board, and then I want the picture to be brighter so that the background looks a little more white. So what I'm gonna do is click Format Options up here and click Adjustments right here and drag the brightness up. Okay, so you'll see it looks like it didn't do anything, and that's just because Google Slides is a little weird and doesn't refresh right away. So what I'm gonna do is click this plus button to add a new slide, and then go back here, and now it has refreshed and it's way too bright. So I need to bring it down. Click here, go back. That is so much better. That actually looks so good. Oh, awesome. Okay. Now, there are lots of different things that I can do here. I'm gonna show you one more trick. Let's say that the frame is not in front of the picture like you want it to. It's actually behind the picture. Okay, and you want it to come in front of the picture. So you just saw how I sent it behind. So I'm gonna show you how to send it up front. So I clicked on the frame. Now I'm gonna click Arrange, Order, and I can click Bring Forward or Bring to Front, and that will bring it in front of the little piece of art right there. Amazing. I can also see this blank poster that says our school rules. I can add text over top of it. All right, so that is the basics of making your room or your world. Now, if you want to add links, I can add links to ebooks, or I could add links to websites with educational games and things like that. So that is exactly what I'm going to do. Now, on my bookshelf, I think that I want to add a link to a read aloud of my favorite book. So what I'm gonna do is open a new tab, type in youtube.com, search whatever read aloud that I want. Okay, now I'm gonna copy and paste the link to this video. So I copied the link, go back to my Google presentation, click on the bookcase, click this little link icon right here, and then paste the link there, apply. So for my computer, I think I want to add a link to a website for kids that's really, really fun by this art museum called Tate. It's in England, so I'm going to go to my new tab and go to the website. It's tate.org.uk/kids. Now on the ABCs decoration up here, I always love to show the kids Storybots videos. Storybots is awesome if you ever need like a good educational and really fun video. Kids like all the way up to 2nd grade really like these videos. So I put the link on both of these pictures of the alphabet, so no matter which one they pick, it will take them to the same link. And so the way that you're going to finish this up is, notice how this picture got dark again, so I'm gonna refresh it. There we go. So I'm gonna delete this extra slide, and then I'm going to export this as a PDF. So I'm gonna click File, Download, PDF. So it downloaded, it opens automatically on my computer. Now, watch this. I'm gonna click the cougar, and it took me straight to my cougar drawing video. Okay, I'm gonna click on the bookcase, takes me straight to the read aloud video that I linked it to. I'm going to click on the computer, and it takes me straight to this educational website that I linked it to. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed that. I really did. So if you make one, send it to me. I'm really curious about what you came up with, and I love to see your artwork. Remember to follow me on Twitter, subscribe to our YouTube channel, keep watching our videos, and remember to make art every day. See you guys next week.